So today we are going to learn how to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos. So the first thing you need to do is click on your Canva app, because we are going to be using Canva for this tutorial, and wait for it to load. Then click on the plus button. Now search for YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. For me, it's already in my search item, so I'll just click on it. Then click on the plus button again, and it will show you an array of YouTube thumbnail you can choose from. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be creating one from scratch. So the first thing I'll do is go to my upload and bring in my assets. So the first one is this WhatsApp logo. I'm going to click on it and bring it here, minimize it because I'm going to be using it for aesthetic to beautify my thumbnail. Okay, then you can click on this plus button to duplicate the WhatsApp logo. So I'm just going to bring the one I've duplicated up. Oh, by the way, I'm creating a thumbnail for a WhatsApp poll tutorial. So having done this, I'll click on this plus button on the bottom right hand to bring in another asset. So I'm just going to click on this one, yes, and adjust it. Okay, so I'm just going to bend it a bit. By the way, do not be scared to experiment. Okay, I'm going to shift it down a bit. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm okay with this. Click on the purple button on the bottom right, then go to text, then click add a heading. Now highlight the add a heading to delete what you have there and type in your heading. So I'm just going to type in the title of this tutorial, the title of the tutorial video making a thumbnail for. So how to create WhatsApp poll. I'm going to adjust it a bit. I want it to be bold so that it arrests the attention of anybody looking at the thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to shift it. I want it to be at the left hand side. I'm going to also increase it a bit. Okay, so the moment you click on your text, you can see that you are able to edit it at the bottom. Click on font, then choose any font size of your desire. I'm just going to play with it a bit to show you that you can experiment. I don't like this, so I'm just going to be choosing another font. I think I like this Alpha Slab one. Yes, it's now arresting the attention of anyone who is looking at my thumbnail. So the next thing for me to do now is to change the background color of my thumbnail. So I'll just click on the Canva, on the thumbnail Canva, then you can see color at the bottom. Then I'll choose the desired color I want. I think I like this. And now you can see that my text is popping. My text is popping, and it will make people stop the moment they see my thumbnail. So please do not forget to experiment, or don't be scared. You're not going to break anything. Don't be scared to experiment and try new things when you're creating your thumbnail. Lastly, click on the arrow at the top right hand corner, then click on download. Click on the download button again and watch your video download. This is so beautiful. I love it. Okay, so you can see that your video is downloading. Be patient for it to finish before you leave your Canva app. Okay, now it is now in your gallery and you can see how beautiful it looks. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.